Hello everyone, my name is Naoki Hayashi. Today I will be talking about my research detection of defects on apples by thermal imaging. Apples without stems are lower quality, so we have to reject apples without stems. However, it is difficult to distinguish apples with stems from apples without stems by the visible imaging. However, thermal imaging can distinguish apples with stems from apples without stems. This is picture of this is thermal imaging of apples with stems and apples without stems. Apples stems become hotter than fruits areas, so we can detect the stems area. This apple is pre-cooled in refrigerator and then moved to room temperature. The stem become hotter. In apples grading center, the harvested apples are pre-cooled in refrigerator, and then moved to grading line. So apples are heated by the room temperature. This heating causes temperature difference between stems and fruits area. Let's think about why stems become hotter. One reason is difference of thermal property, thermal conductivity, specific heat, and density. And second reason is this apples stems slender shape. Apples stem have lower specific surface, not heat but surface. Let's think about difference of thermal property of apples and stems. I couldn't find the thermal properties of apples stems, but however there is the thermal property of wood. So I use the parameter of wood. As you can see, thermal conductivity and specific heat and density of wood is lower than apple fruits. So we can understand stems area becoming hotter than fruits. In order to distinguish apples with stems, from apples without stems. Timing the acquiring thermal images is important to detect stems easily. And choosing the best temperature of pre-cooling and room temperature is also important. So I have to acquire thermal image, a lot of thermal images under the various conditions. That's all. Thank you for your kind attention.
Question.
When the apple is brought out of the cool store, have you measured how long it takes for the stem to get up to room temperature?
You mean time? You ask about the time. It's up to prefecture and this is different by grading center or prefecture.
Could you show me slide number 3? In the top one on the right hand side, you have it is cooled at 4 degrees and
yes.
then at room temperature.
Yes.
So after 1 minute coming out of the cool store, it'd still be very cold, I think. How long does it take for, at room temperature, for you to be able to take that top picture?
Few seconds.
Few seconds.
Yes. Immediately after the refrigerator. Very short time.
Okay. And then after it's taken out, how long before that difference is not observable? So if it is left out at room temperature for a day or more, the fruit temperature and the stem will probably be the same.
Yes.
So what is the time span that you have available where you have to do the measurement?
That is objective, my research.
Okay. Where is the object? Show us the object.
At that timing. Timing when is objective.
Any other question?
Yeah, again, slide number 3. Yeah, I think you have to show us the apple from the side to see how different the stems. From top, we can see the bottom also has stem. Yeah.
Bottom?
Yeah.
Stem.
Left side. That's stem also.
But there is no stem.
No stem?
No stem.
Yeah. Showing the picture from side, maybe make it clear with one with stem, with one with no stem.
Above and side.
Side.
I see.
No stem means what's that? What's that point?
What's that point?
Material, the center,
Center.
bottom left.
リメインオブしてる。
We are talking about that. So, what's the difference? Just a length?
Long stem and
So, this is wrong. Wrong. Without stem, wrong. Short stem?
very short.
How many millimeters?
I can't measure. I remove the stem by pinch.
Pull out.
Yes.
Still stem.
Very short stem.
How do you experiment with the stem and without stem? You always pull out.
Yes.
This is same apple.
Yes, same apple.
Why we have here without no stem apple? Some physiological problem?
Yes.
Or if so, that is different from the pulling out by hand.
Yes. When farmers harvest apples, stems can be cut accidentally.
But still left, much left, even if farmer cutting by scissors. That's different from the stem bring out. Also, physiological loss, stem loss is totally different from this.
You mean difference of cutting and
No, not the cutting edge. I'm talking about the some rotten or something, some problems. This point, then drop down, stem drop down.
Yes.
So that is a different one. This is still stem left. So still wood left. Wood. You talked.
Yes.
So if physiological problem, another, some maybe core may come out. We can see. What kind of situation? We can't guess.
Stems are removed accidentally when farmers harvest apples.
Your object, that is not physical. That is a physically cut.
No. You mean disease?
Disease or some any defects. Something. That's different from the cutting.
I mean accidental loss of the stems.
That is your object.
Yes.
So how do you? But that is different from print. Why you didn't print? Why didn't you cut? Then
when farmers cut とハサミの入れ方が悪いと切るときに根元からブチッとちぎれちゃうらしいです。
Problem setting might be a problem. So you have to discuss with other member. If you are master for second grade, soon you have the defense. It's okay? So,
okay.
Okay. Oh, you have a confidence. Okay. Yeah, any suggestion? Okay. Yeah, please.
In your introduction, you said that the fruit without stems has a lower value
Yes.
than the fruit with the stems. So it is a consumer perception of what is good or bad, if it has a stem or not a stem. So do you not have to also quantify what is in the consumer's eye no stem or with stem, so that you can then correlate your measurements with that visual quantification?
What do you mean?
Okay. In the grading line,
Yes.
you are wanting to separate the high quality fruit with stems from the low quality fruit
Yes.
without stems.
Yes.
But that quality is something the consumer says, oh, it doesn't have a stem, I don't like. So maybe that much is okay, but this much is not okay. But if your measurement takes all of it out, not only can detect all of the stem removed, then it's not exactly the same as what the consumer is wanting to get.
Apples without stems are processed to jam or juice. So apples with stems are more expensive.
Even bottom apple also could be sold for fresh fruits.
No, juice or jam or
I've never had that. This is grade A. This is grade C. Grade D would be the jam process. So could be sold.
yes. But lower quality.
Maybe the good explanation is apple with stem will stay longer than without stem.
Yes.
Freshness.
Yeah, you have to run more background. Otherwise, you can't do defense. Also, you have to, you can't start explaining. More discussion. Right. Yeah, I think it's time to stop. So, thank you very much.